Now, so we have this question on the surface area of frustum. So find the surface area of a frustum of a cone whose top and bottom diameters are top is 20 and bottom is 30. And the height here is 12 centimeters. So therefore, what is the radius of the top? The radius of the top is 10 centimeters, and the radius of the bottom is 15. So the first step is to find the height of because this is a cone that has been chopped off the top part. A small cone has been chopped off at that point. So you extend like that and put this one as. Let's say that the height of the small cone that has been cut off is h. So therefore, the height of the original, which we call h, capital H, in this case it will be equal to 12 plus h. 12 plus h. So it is 12 plus h. So when you want to find the height of the small one, you always use mirarity. You say the height of the small one, h, over 12 plus h, where 12 plus h is the height of the original cone, is equal to the radius 10 over 15. The radius is top over the radius of the bottom. So you get that. So you get that. So you get that. So that's what you get. You get that. So therefore, you can simplify by 5, 2, by 5, 3. So what you have to have h over 12 plus h is equal to 2 over 3. What you can do, you can cross multiply this 3 and this come here. So get 3 bracket h is equal to 2 in bracket 12 plus h. You want to get the height of the small one. So the height of the small cone. So that is 3h is equal to 24 plus 2h. So therefore, what's the height now? 3h minus 2h is equal to 24. So the height of the small one is 24. So the height of the small cone that has been cut off is 24 centimeters. So therefore, we are calculating the surface area of this frustum. This frustum, it has a top and it has bottom. And it has the curved surface area. The curved surface area of the original minus the curved surface area of the smaller one. So therefore, the formula here will be like the surface area of this frustum. Will be pi r squared plus pi r squared. That's the top bottom plus pi r n minus pi r n. In this case, we can call the slant height of the original one is L1 and the slant height of the small one as L2. So we can use L1 and L2 in this case. We can use that so that we can get the difference between the two. So we already have all the others. The only thing that we don't have is the slant height of this. We get this one, we call it L1, and it is this one here. We can have this. We can have the radius here, the height here. What's our height? This is 12, and this is 24. So therefore, the height of the original cone, that must be 36. Is 36 because this is 12. 12 plus 24, that's at 6. The radius is 15. So let's say this is L1. The height of the slant height of the original cone. So therefore, this one we say L1, because it forms Pythagoras, will be the square root of h squared plus r squared. H squared plus r squared. So let's see. Our h squared is at 6 squared plus r squared, 15 squared. So that is 6 squared plus 15 squared. We get 1521. L1 is equal to the square root of 1521. Square root. You get 39. Yeah, that is 39. So therefore, L1 is 39. That's L1, that 39. That's L1 is 39. Now, so we already have L1 is 39. So now the next one is to find our L2, the frontage of the small cone. So this one, from here all the way to this point, this one you call it L2, because you already have L1. So let's find L2. So our L2 will be equal to the square root of h squared plus r squared. Our h squared is 24 squared plus 10 squared. So 24 squared, you get 576 plus 100, you get 24 squared, 576 plus 100, you get 676. Square root of 676, that must be 26, 676. Yeah, that's square root is 26 centimeters. So this is 26 centimeters. So therefore, the frontage of the small one from here to here is 26. Now find the surface area. Surface area of this. So in our formula we have pi r squared. That's the top. You have this 22/7 times r squared, 10 squared plus the base. Pi r squared, this one, 22/7 times 15 squared as the base plus pi r L1. Now this one, you want to get the difference between the cut surface area of the original minus the cut, the one that has been cut off. So therefore, we take pi r L1, 22/7 times the radius of the original is 15. Now L1, our L1 is 39. We subtract. You're not subtracting here, you're subtracting. The curved surface area of the small one, 22/7 times. This one is the radius of the small one is 10, and L2, which is 39, which is 26 here, which is 26. So that one, once you work out this one, you get the finals. So take 22/7 times 10 squared. This comes to 314.29 plus 22/7 times 15 squared. You get this is 707.143. That's the base, the top of the base. Plus now we get the curved surface of the original column, 22/7 times 15 times 39. That one we get 18. That's 8.57 minus 22/7 times 10 times 26. You get this is 817.143. So get the difference between these two. 18, that 8.57 minus 817.143. The difference here is 1021.427. So total. You take this one, 314.29 plus 707.143 plus 1021.427. So plus 314.29 plus 707.143. This comes to 2042.86 centimeters squared. 2042.86 centimeters squared. So that is the total surface area of that frustum.